so much for your time, Raul, and coming
Thank
to
you.
this call and giving the honest feedback to us. So, Raul, kindly introduce yourself. Let us know about your company, your requirement, and your overall experience with us.
Sure. So I'm Raul Dominguez. I'm from Spain, but living here in California, United States. And we got a huge challenge in front of us that it actually was to make a platform that could render a video where the customer will upload their own pictures and select a template, and the platform should render the video completely, and it should be connected with Shopify store, and then making sure that when the people buy a product, the video is bypassing everything to our store, so we can upload that video to the product that we are selling.
So, Kishan, do you have any question for Raul?
Yes, so I have a question. Do you have any specific feedback for me and the team members?
Yes, no, I have to say that you guys have been awesome. You have been helping our company, our platform to do their best. And thank you so much for everyone. We have been back and forth connecting. You were guys very fast answering all the concerns and questions and changes that I made through a Slack. I think it has been a really teamwork. And if the word team, I think, means this, because I think we have been making everything really good. And I have to say that you guys, Yuki, Shan, and Dilshan, you have been very fast answering everything, doing the changes, and of course, changes that actually sometimes they're not easy, and we don't know exactly where to go, because at the end of the day, something that we're building new, and you guys give us, your ideas, your experience. So I have to be very grateful to have you as in our developer team, because you guys has been amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Sure. So, Dilshan, do you have any questions?
Yes, I have. So, Raul, would you recommend us to your friend or colleague for the work-related requirements?
No, I would. No, I'm just kidding. Of course, yes. Of course, yes. No, I will recommend you guys because you are a really good team all together. You and Jali, you have been putting together all the team with us and answering all my questions. And of course, I would recommend you with everything for any type of product. It could be this, which actually for me was a really hard one, because at the end of the day, there is nothing in the market like what we have done. So you can go, with you guys from the basic stuff to really, really high things that what we have done. So I will, of course, recommend you all the time.
That's so nice of you to say. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Raul. It's
course.
really nice and a great feedback. And on that note, I believe our experience working with you was very smooth. You were there every time to give your valuable feedback to us and help us out. And in case there was brainstorming, which we used to do, there was always a good input from your end, and you really help us to make things possible. And the Verona Roses, and since we have sold this first product of yours, I believe we are very happy for it. The forcebolt team is very happy for it, because it's like a project from scratch that we have built, and now it's selling products, and it's something we are very happy about. Once again, thank you so much, Raul, for this valuable feedback of yours. This means a lot to us.
No, thank you to you guys. I think, it's hard to build something that is not developed yet, something that we don't have a path to follow, and we need to trust, our guts to see where we go. And then I think, this product, Verona Roses, that actually combine the natural part of the roses with the technology that we develop, I think it's amazing, because I think it's the first product that actually connect nature with technology in one same product. So no, again, guys, thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much, Raul.